Hello and welcome to another episode of Spy Trader, your quick and quirky source for up-to-the-minute insights on the S&P 500. I'm your host, Johnny Bullion, and we've got a great show for you today. It's August 8th, 2024, right at the stroke of noon. Let's jump into the key happenings in the market. First up, let's talk about today's big news items. Market performance. The S&P 500 showed solid resilience today, surging nearly 2.4%. The Nasdaq didn't lag behind either, jumping over 3%, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average had a decent rise of about 1.8%, which is roughly 700 points. Jobless claims data. Good news on the labor front. Initial jobless claims for the week ending August 3rd fell to 233,000, down from 250,000. This exceeded economists' expectations and became the wind beneath the market's wings, especially after the beating it took from the disappointing non-farm payroll report last week. Stock highlights. NVIDIA was quite the roller coaster. The stock fell about 5%, but had earlier risen around 6%. Meanwhile, Eli Lilly, LLY, skyrocketed 8% after it raised its annual revenue and profit forecasts, thanks to their strong sales from weight loss drugs. Now, why did the investment advisor enjoy Thanksgiving? Because he was good at carving out profits. And speaking of carving out, let's carve out some insights from today's news. Analysis and insights. The decline in jobless claims is a promising sign of a stronger labor market. This should boost consumer confidence and potentially support further economic recovery. The rise in stock prices signals some optimism in the market, especially after a rather volatile week. What's interesting today is the tech sector, particularly semiconductor stocks like NVIDIA, Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, and Broadcom, AVO. These stocks saw a bounce despite recent volatility. NVIDIA even gained over 6% Thursday, recovering from a more than 5% fall the previous day. Analysts from Piper Sandler are even viewing NVIDIA's recent sell-off as a buying opportunity, specifically driven by long-term demand in AI technologies. Eli Lilly's performance underscores the importance of strong earnings reports, showing how they can give a significant boost to stock prices. Trading recommendations. With the S&P 500 showing resilience and a positive labor market report, it's an opportune time to make some strategic trades. 1. NVIDIA, NVDA. Recommendation. Buy reasoning. Despite recent volatility, the long-term outlook driven by AI demand is strong. Analysts see the recent dip as a buying opportunity, indicating substantial upside potential. 2. Eli Lilly, LLY. Recommendation. Hold buy. Reasoning. Strong sales from its weight loss drugs and raised annual revenue and profit forecasts make it an attractive stock. High growth potential should continue to fuel investor interest. 3. Tech sector broadly. Recommendation. Accumulate selectively on dips. Reasoning. The resilience shown by semiconductor stocks could signal a broader recovery in tech. Stocks like AMD and Broadcom also showed significant gains, suggesting a positive sentiment. Number 4. Monitor economic indicators. Keep a close eye on labor market indicators as they continue to sway market performance. Healthy economic data could suggest further market rallies. The underlying theme is that while we've seen bounce backs, volatility remains a recurring theme. Staying adaptable and vigilant is crucial for navigating these choppy waters. That's all for this episode of Spy Trader. Until next time, keep your portfolio diversified and your investments smart. I'm Johnny Bullion, reminding you to trade wisely and always look for that shining nugget of wealth in the market. Happy trading.